I'm born and brought up in a small place called Jabalpur in MP. Okay. And later I realized that, many people from small, how many small town people? Okay, believe me, not just from Jabalpur, I'm talking about any small town, right? Okay. Only people, I'm not telling about the people from big town, but the chances of becoming big from people who belongs to small town is higher actually, right? I was born and brought up there. My father was into Ministry of Defense, which is like a part of our army, and we were living in government quarters. And when I was growing up, me, my sister, my father, my mother, only small family of 4, right? Okay, and we were living in a government-provided accommodation. Okay, government accommodation, right? And every house used to be the same when I was growing up, because all quarters are same always, right? Government quarters, right? So same kind of a house, same paint, same kind of furniture, Father used to go to the office, same time, come back at the same time. I saw him doing go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home for so many years, 25 years plus. And I was a very happy-go-lucky child. Why? Because I was not even knowing what am I going to do with my life. Small town, because everyone is same, I don't know what I'm missing in life. Because you have to have someone to look up to. But there's no one to look up to. Everyone is same there, right? Suddenly I realized my father is going to retire in next 5 years. Because every day in the dinner table, father talking to mother, retire ho rahe hain, ye kuch kar lega to acha hai, tab tak kuch kar lega to. So it was like and I'm the only son. So 5 years retirement, so I have to do something, right? Not only for myself, but to take care of my parents, right? So fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know, I got 3 jobs from campus itself. Okay? One was with pharmaceutical company, one was with watch company, and one was with FMCG company. And those days, there was no private banking, there was no private telecom or anything actually, no insurance, nothing. Everything was government driven. And FMCG used to be a dream job, And my first offer was from Unilever, So I said, okay, Unilever is one of the best company when it comes to FMCG. I will join. I don't know what am I supposed to do. झाड़ू लगानी है वहाँ पे या पोछा लगाना कुछ नहीं पता है. But नौकरी दे रहे हैं. Okay, as a trainee. Okay. I said, okay, let me join. And I still remember, what was my salary, first salary? 6,025 rupees. 6025. I still have a salary slip, my first salary slip, right? Okay. Those days salary slip aati thi post se. Okay. So, 6,025 as a salary. But they posted me on day 1 in Bombay. And I learned from that city how to follow SOP, Standard Operating Procedures. Because the consequences of not following SOP is not missing the train. The consequences of not following SOP is not delay in max out. The consequences of not following the system is I will not be inside the train, I will be under the train actually, right? Because it's risky, right? And I learned how to follow the system in Bombay. Because Bombay works on a system actually, right? Now why I'm sharing all this? Because in life, whatever we did, there's a learning from that, right? So I learned how to follow the SOP. I learned how not to quit. Because when I learned to do this in a better way, I become expert. Correct? And I did this for 10 years in Bombay. Correct? And Bombay fulfilled lot of dreams and gave a lot of confidence, because from trainee, I become vice president of the company in 8 years' time actually, right? And I was very fast in my job. Okay? My all other classmates in the college and all, some were like me, but not many. I was fast. I never stayed in one role in my job for more than 18 months. Every 18 months I used to get promotion in my life. Alright? And then I said, फास्ट जा रहे हैं फिर भी ये हाल है. Is it possible for me to keep growing like this for 20 more years? Answer was no. Even if I grow like this, what will happen? I will become a CEO of the company, right? But what will I do as a CEO? Go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home. Correct? That will I do. Okay? So, CEO of the company. And one day I will retire as a CEO. Correct? And when I retire, my next generation will start from where? From where? From zero again or CEO onwards? Zero again, right? So my father did the same thing. I am doing the same thing. My next generation will do the same thing. Why? I don't want to do this. I said 20 more years I can see what is going to happen. From that day onwards, I stopped enjoying my work. So my colleague, senior colleague, he was my reporting manager, okay? He was knowing that I'm looking out for something. He left his job, okay? And he started a HR consultancy. And one day he called me. He called me and then he said, सुन, तेरे को कुछ करना था ना? मैं बोला हाँ, ढूंढा है क्या? मैं बोला कुछ नहीं ढूंढा, मिला ही नहीं अभी तक. बोला देख, अभी नहीं करेगा तो कभी नहीं कर पाएगा. I was 30 that time, right? अभी नहीं करेगा तो कभी नहीं कर पाएगा. So मैं बोला हाँ, बात तो सही है. So he said, come, I want to share something with you, right? So he called me. I went to meet him. Okay? And then he said, मेरे brother-in-law ने Thailand से phone किया था. And then he's a nice guy. And he shared something with me. So मैंने बताओ क्या है? So he said, he spoke to me about QVI. Holidays बताया. बोला अच्छा है. Then he met me again. I plan नहीं समझा, कुछ नहीं समझा. But I made up my mind, I'm doing this. Plan भी नहीं दिखाया उसने मुझे. वो figure होता ना last में, max out, वो सब कुछ नहीं. No structure, nothing. But I decided that I'm doing this. Why? Two things I thought. Do I have any other thing to do? No. Which can be started in such small amount? No. Do I really want to change my life? Answer was yes. And then we started working. I got 6 people who signed up with me in first 6 weeks. Okay? They all were like very close to me. Hot zone पता नहीं था कैसे करना है. सबको plan दिखा के sign up किया था. That time. Okay? Kavita, Sharfun. There are 6 people were there, right? Okay? And they were my followers everywhere. मतलब influence होता ना आपका. या तो relation है, या तो आपके साथ काम करते हैं and all that, right? So, ऐसा उनके लिए ऐसा नहीं करना पड़ा. Prospecting नहीं करनी पड़ी. You know, simple. अभी सुन कुछ अच्छा मिला है. ऐसे होते हैं. ओए फ्रेंड टाइप्स, यू नो. सो 6 लोगों ने साइन अप किया. बिलीव मी, वो 6 लोगों के साथ बैठ के मैं इतनी बड़ी इवेंट के बारे में बात करता था वो टाइम पे उन्होंने. आफ्टर दैट, इन बिटवीन, हांगकांग अपलाइन ने बोला कि देयर इज अ गाय हु लिव्स इन हांगकांग हु इज योर अपलाइन बट ही इज इन इंडियन एंड ही इज कमिंग टू बॉम्बे. आई सेड ओके. अपॉइंटमेंट लिया, मिलने गए. हु वाज दैट? VP Dev, right? That time he was not even VC, right? मिलने गए. I'll tell you, मिलने गए उसके पास में. You know, 2 घंटे की मीटिंग थी. What happened in that 2-hour meeting? You know that? मैं चेक करने नहीं गया था. सवाल नहीं थे मेरे पास कुछ भी. ऐसे ही मिलने चले गए थे. I was switched on. I was excited. I was doing sign-ups, right? वो 2 घंटे में I ended up using my credit card again for 5 more lakhs. Upgrade कर दिया. Zigzag समझ में आ गया. Zigzag समझ में आ गया. And I am thinking, वापस आते समय I'm excited. आज सोचो, मैं गया किसी से मिलने, 5 लाख रुपए और घिस दिए, और एक्साइटेड हूं मैं. कहीं होता है ऐसा, राइट? Because why exactly I did that? Because I was knowing कि करना तो है बॉस. फिर छोटा काम क्यों करना है? उतने ही एफर्ट से जब ज्यादा मिल सकता है तो. And I understood, right? So then he said, you have to go to Malaysia. I said, Malaysia, I don't have a passport. I never had a passport. 30 साल की उम्र में मेरे पास पासपोर्ट भी नहीं था. कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. So what to do? अब पासपोर्ट, मैंने चलो He said, bro, if you go there and if you feel it was not worth, I will refund your money. Flight money and all that. मैं बोला ये रिफंड क्यों कर रहा है, इसको तो कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है, पक्का कुछ तो होगा. मैं जा रहा हूं, आई एम गोइंग. हाउ आई डोंट नो, बट डिसीजन वाज टेकिंग, आई एम गोइंग. एंड देन नो लुकिंग बैक. कभी कभी क्या होता है, लोगों को कुछ मिल जाता है बिना स्ट्रगल के, फिर जब नीचे गिरते हैं फिर डाउट आना शुरू हो जाता है. राइट, गेटिंग मी? सो सबसे पहले चेक करो, सबसे पहले चेक करो हाईलाइट जोन. यू नो द वेलकम में मैं बोलता हूं ना, हाईलाइट वो किसी ने बताया नहीं है, वो खुद की जिंदगी थी, इसके लिए वेलकम में डाला है वो. आर यू लिविंग इन हाईलाइट्स और नॉट? आर यू लिविंग, हाउ मेनी पीपल लिविंग इन हाईलाइट्स? ऐसी हाथ मत उठाते हैं. 24 आवर्स हाईलाइट्स में कौन जी रहा है? मतलब यू नो, यू आर इन डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. ये तो हो गया बॉस, मुझे पता है, इनके साथ हो गया, इनके साथ हो गया, इनके साथ हो गया, तो सबके साथ होगा. राइट, दे ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू ऑल द स्ट्रगल्स, सो वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग. इट्स ओके. राइट, but doubt, because when you talk to a person, it is not important where you are physically, it is more important where you are mentally while talking to that person actually. Right, because that person can feel that. Right, you getting me? So first year life okay, next year better, right, all the time. Right, I'm talking to everyone, not just you guys. I'm talking to in-service, I'm talking to everyone who makes a lot of money also, right? सबके लिए. You know, ये business जो है ना, this is like ocean. आप कितना निकाल सकते हो उसमें से, आपके हाथ में. कोई आता है चम्मच लेके, चम्मच भर पानी लेके चला जाता है. कोई आता है लोटा लेके, कोई आता बाल्टी लेके, कोई आता ड्रम लेके. करेक्ट, कोई आता गैलन लेके. राइट, ओके. व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड दिस इज अ ओशन, मैंने बोला इसकी मां की, मैं पूरा पाइपलाइन बिछाऊंगा यहां से वहां पूरा. राइट, सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज, आर यू हियर? चम्मच लेके आए थोड़ा, $20,000 a month चम्मच है वो. करेक्ट. बाल्टी लेके आए, मे बी $10,000 a week, मैक्स आउट. ओ आई मैक्स आउट में घंटा कुछ नहीं है. यू गेटिंग मी? कुछ नहीं है मैक्स आउट. राइट, आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट इज नथिंग एक्चुअली. राइट, यू नो. सो टुडे I think there are people who earn $4,000-5,000 a week. I think they are more in comfort zone than me actually. Right, maybe भी उनको समझा नहीं है, उनको लगता बस इतना ही निकाल सकते हैं कुएं में से. राइट, समुंदर में से. Are you getting me? And believe me, that is the time when you start falling down. This business is about building that character actually. Right, net. And whatever you go through, it contributes. Every hardship you go through, it contributes in building that character. If you face those things by counseling with your upline and change yourself, and then eventually you become a character who can handle everything actually. Right, correct. So character में क्या क्या चाहिए होता है? You know, what is that character actually? Right, and when you become that character, okay, when you become that character, you don't have to lead. You don't have to lead. People follow automatically. Right, C for character. Right, so I will tell you 5 C's which should be there in that character. Right, तब वो पूरा C complete होता है. Number 1 is basically, you need to know that we have a cup. I'm not talking about emptying the cup, I'm talking about the cup first. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं कि कप है यहां पे. राइट, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता है. यू नो, फनी चीजें होती हैं. कोई इंसान मिलता है जो पूरा, जिसका कप फुल होता है. राइट, यू नो, मेरे को ऐसे भी इंसान मिले हैं जिनका कप कभी फुल नहीं होता है, बट उल्टा पड़ा होता है, कुछ डाल ही नहीं सकते उसके अंदर. यहां पे एक कप है जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो कभी वो सारी चीजें काम की नहीं है, यू नो. So first we have to accept at any point of time, whether you are struggling or you are succeeding, you are earning 10,000 a week or 5,000 a week or 2,000 a week or 200 a week, right? You have to first understand, even if you are earning 30,000 a week also, right? First you have to understand, I don't know what I don't know. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है हमारे खुद के थॉट्स, आवर ओन थॉट्स. ट्रू. तो वो कब से निकल रहे हैं ना. So we have to be conscious and correct those thoughts, because every thought transmits a signal to universe and it gives you back the same thing actually, right? Every thought, right? Second quality which will be there in all successful people, which we need here, which is a character number 2. The quality number 2 in that character is you need to have a compelling reason. Compelling reason, you know? रीजन बोलते ना, वाई तो सबके पास में है, बट इज इट कंपेलिंग इनफ? रोज पीछे पिछवाड़े में लात पड़ती है उसकी रीजन की तरफ से, राइट? बाहर निकल के काम करने के लिए. आस्क योरसेल्फ. इफ यू फील योर, सम पीपल से हाँ बट रीजन तो स्ट्रांग है, बट वो कभी कभी लेजीनेस से आती. इसका मतलब रीजन स्ट्रांग नहीं है बॉस. रीजन इज नॉट कंपेलिंग इनफ. And I'm not talking about reason when you're starting the business only. At any point of time, whether you're earning $500 or $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 or $100,000 a week also, you need to have a compelling reason to move forward every stage of life actually, right? Third part of that character is a committed character. You know? But committed for what? Committed for your own dream, to your own life. अभी जो मैं बोल रहा था मैं कि अपलाइन, डाउनलाइन, डिपेंडेंसी, सिस्टम, भाई हमारी खुद की जिंदगी है ना. I had no upline. I was not even knowing what is upline actually, right? I was not even knowing because I never had an upline, right? तो क्या हो गया? अपने ड्रीम का कमिटमेंट खुद. We were committed to our dream. That's why we created something, na? Called system. Are you getting me? So किसको जिम्मेदारी लेनी पड़ेगी अपनी जिंदगी की? खुद को. Commitment to your own life, committed to your own dreams. Consistency. Consistency should not be an effort. It should become the just way to live actually, right? Consistent thought process, consistent action, consistent, dreaming actually, right? Thought process and action both actually. So this business is about building this character, right? Building. It's like building a body, right? Is it easy to build a body? When people who compete actually, right? Is it easy? Discipline लगता है उसमें, decision लगता है उसमें, consistency लगती है उसमें, correct? Challenges आते हैं उसमें, injuries होती हैं उसमें, होती है कि नहीं होती? सब कुछ होता है ना, but वो जो build होता है ना, so that's what exactly you have to build as a character. Lead to inspire. Don't just lead because you're a leader, right? Okay? And keep fighting that battle, not from outside. Outside battle बहुत आसान है. That internal battle, right?